Question number 3 is asking us to identify the points on the graph for the ordered pairs -5, -4, and 0, 3. We have a lot of letters on here, so one of the things I'm going to do is just write down my letters. Now we don't necessarily have to identify all the ordered pairs from here. If you stop and think about your quadrants here, we talked about this the other day. The ordered pairs here have a positive x value and a positive y value. In this quadrant we have negative x values and positive y values. In this one we have negative x and negative y values. On this one we have positive x and negative y values. So if you look at your ordered pair here, I have both a negative x value and a negative y value. X value is always first, y value is always second. So if I'm looking for both negatives, then I know my point is going to be in this quadrant. So if I look for -5, I'm starting from the origin, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then I go down 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. This should be -5, -4 right here. So that is point I. Okay, so looking at your answer choices, you already know that you can eliminate the ones that don't have an I. So this one does not have an I, and this one does not have an I. So it's between these two. So now if we look at this one, remember we said if any ordered pair has a 0, this is called an intercept. And it's just going to be depend on which line it ends up. So if we're at 0 at the origin and I have a -3, that means I have a 0 and a negative y value there. 1, 2, 3. This should be 0, -3 right here, this point J. So I'm looking for I and J. So this is the correct answer choice on mine. Yours might be different.